Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo and this is my view in fewer than two. Threads now has a web client, so you don't just have to use Threads by way of a mobile app, you can use it by way of the web. This is good news if you don't just live on your phone all day, and some of us don't. It's nice to have desktop access. It's something that should have been available day one, but you know, they're moving pretty fast. I'd like to see a heck of a lot more features roll out, but here's my question. Is web-based Threads account access the feature that's going to get you to use Threads? Is it the feature that's going to bring you back to Threads if you signed up and then forgot that you had a Threads account? What's it going to take to get you to use Threads? And I don't know if Elon making decisions with X or Twitter is going to be enough to drive Threads engagement. And I said that before, just like it wouldn't be enough to drive Mastodon engagement. And I will also let you know that in terms of social media, I use all the platforms because I'd rather connect with you wherever you are rather than forcing you to connect where I happen to be. That's why I put this stuff everywhere that I possibly can. So Mastodon engagement has been in many ways better than my Twitter engagement has been in God knows how long. Despite having fewer followers, a challenging discovery mechanism, it's the people who are using it that I'm ultimately connecting with, and they are deeply connected when they're using Mastodon, at least at this stage. I don't know if many of them have moved over to Threads because quite honestly, it's a different type of network. I do also know that at some point Threads is going to interoperate with Mastodon because it's going to become a part of the greater Fediverse. That's good news if you like Mastodon and don't like Threads, or you like Threads but don't like Mastodon. So what's it going to take for you to come back to Threads? Is this web-based version of Threads, threads.net, going to be enough? I don't know if it will be.